Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we have a few special things. Right here in my hands, I've got this box. But first of all, here's the RZR 900S, Polaris RZR 900S. Yes, we are going to sell the Ace, and we're going to keep this RZR. So let's tear into the box. Got my trusty pair of scissors right here. This is from Amazon. I'm trying to find the middle. There we go. Okay. So, I got what I ordered. I think it is. It's just a mirror, rearview mirror. Snaps in right there. And these are these plugs. So, you'll come over here with me. Okay, so if you come over here with me. You come over here. Okay, so this is the RZR. I'll bring up the steering wheel that we can get to see it. We have these like holes right there, and they need plugs. We have one plug. It's not very good lighting, but we already had one plug and we did not have another one. So let's go ahead and pop these things in. I whacked my head right there. So So this one, the right one. There we go. Okay.
Nice and snug.
So we're gonna keep this one.
Just as a spare.
We'll
Put it in the glove box.
We'll put it in. So if you'll go around with me to the other side. So our sister took it through a creek the other day. This one until it looked dirty. But we did wash it, but we still have some dirt in here. So I guess that is it for there. Now let's get the mirror on. And done. So it is in. I'll come over here and show you guys. Casey is the cameraman today.
Yep.
Alright, so here's the mirror. It works pretty good. I like it. We just backed it around a few times, and it is. I'm not completely trusting it yet, but as we drive it, I trust it even more. But there's the plugs. And we did, here is the one plug that we had before.
Just as a spare.
Yeah. Well, we had that,
And
we didn't have the other one. So
there's the other new
really
plug.
good that we have two, because going through a bunch of water is not fun. Or you have to get completely soaked with your feet, which we had in the passenger side, because you're like, since the driver is going to have to go already, if they get some water, and they're still going to have to give it gas. And so we just went with the passenger side, but now we don't have to do that. But hopefully we're going to put new fender flares on it, because that one's falling apart. And maybe new plastics, probably not. But
Well, Actually,
Yeah.
we're probably gonna have to get new plastics to put
Oh yeah.
the fender
We're gonna have
flares
to get-
on.
We're gonna have to get new front plastics.
Yeah, I'll show you right here.
Because it's broke. And so yeah. Oh yeah, this is the RZR. It's a 900. I just open up just to show you guys what is under here. This is not the motor, but just your coolant radiator.
Oil.
That's your coolant.
That's your coolant. Okay.
I thought it was a wheel at first, never first got it until I read it. So yeah. I'm right there. But it is nice. I do like it.
And hopefully you guys will see some more updates on the
Yeah.
RZR.
Yeah.
Like probably more parts getting on it.
Yeah.
Aftermarket parts.
Yeah, we probably won't, but
Maybe.
we may put a winch on it. And maybe come back here. Well, I lost my thought.
Spare tire rack or
No.
what were you thinking about?
Yeah, if we ever got into like deer hunting, you can put a hunting like a
Gun rack.
gun rack on the back. So yeah, has Walker Evans suspension if you're wondering, because it is soft. Let me tell you. But yeah, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to like it up and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the